if something can go wrong, it will.
Oh, Murphy's Law.
Murphy's Law. This is Murphy's Law. We're packing up, getting ready to go. Dave had the truck running. No problem starting it. We're turned it off, and he's just getting ready to hook the truck up, and it won't start. Hopefully it's just the battery.
Give it a little bit of time to transfer some power over.
But this was a purchase we made this year, Rich.
We ran our trailer batteries down, couldn't start our generator.
With a big diesel engine, you can't just use a regular car jumper cables, right? You need higher amperage
Yeah, so we need,
or whatever.
these are like, I don't know, 0 gauge or something like that.
And Battle-born batteries for the win.
This is where our rig is going to be stored while we're away in Mexico for months.
Discovered this morning.
I think we just need to replace these 2 things
Yep.
and the 2 bolts.
Yep.
Today we are in Mezcala, Mexico.
And we're going on a little boat trip to an island.
Yeah, it's a fairly historic place. We've hired a boat to take us out there, and we have a guide for a few hours while we're there as well.
So come along with us.
You want me to help up there?
No. I'm a good driver.
You done this before?
Almost all my life. Well, yeah. I'm doing almost all my life.
Wow.
Are you okay if I use video?
It's all right. I'm a handsome.
This is Ruben. Ruben is our guide and our boat captain today.
This island, the people is living in here in 3 times. I mean, I don't know, 500, 600 years ago. Okay, for sure the Indians living in here. Okay, but the thing in this island, 1810, the revolution time started in Mexico. Okay,
Right.
in Mexico, in Mexico City, started in 1810.
Okay.
Those columns have the name for the people start the revolution in the island.
Okay.
Okay, Julio Navarro, Nicolás Padilla, Luis Macías, José Santana, Encarnación Rosas, Marcos Castellano. Okay, in Mexico start 1810, so in the island start in 1812. So the government from Jalisco get the island in 1819. So the government, start one prison in the island. That's why the name for the name for the Mezcala Island, the name is Isla del Presidio. So island prison. That's why it's one prison, it's one hospital, it's a cemetery, and it's another two buildings. So I'm showing you. There's a long way we walking. We're talking about almost 2 kilometers. Let's go.
No problem.
All right. Oh, there, like this rock patio. That's original, okay?
Okay.
Everything in here is original. That cat.
That's a 210-year-old cat.
Yeah, well. Okay, let's go to the church. This one we talking about long time ago. I don't know, like 5, 6, 700 years ago.
Okay. Wow.
So this is the church, and this is the house where the father lived. All the rooms. The people they don't use level, long time ago, and this nice and square. It's nice and square.
Square.
Everything. Better the construction than what is now. So this one right here. This is one of the rooms where the father lived. And again, you can see, that's so easy to know, but the material, because look, the material, the one that people use them 220 years ago, so there's no heavy. And the new one is really, really heavy. And that's why you can know what the pieces are original and not. And you can see, the old one and the new one.
Right.
Okay, let's go. All in here is full of water, because this one is all around.
Right.
All around the construction.
A moat, yeah.
So yeah, there's a moat. You can see it's not a way to the people go to the top.
Right.
Okay, this is a normal room for our people. This is a bed, okay? He using like a bed. And this is a normal room for a normal soldier. Let's go, and I'm showing you one for a rich people. Well, not for a rich people, for a high people.
Right.
This is nice, okay? This is original, okay?
Wow.
And this is for show, to put the stamp for him. So this is not for a normal soldier. This is for a higher people. And look, look this one in here. This is a bed house, okay? A room for sleeping. You can see same thing for shelves. Bed and everything, windows and everything. Well, these people, they need a ladies to cooking. Indians ladies for sure. And let me show you 2 kitchens with the ladies cooking.
Cooked.
Let's go this way. This one is for cooking. So just put the grill in here and just fire it on top. Okay? So 10, the story say 10 or 15 ladies cooking in here for all the peoples. Look.
Wow.
And the other side, the peoples he like, the Indians and the Spanish, he like tortillas. Come this way.
And it's light.
So this is for tortillas.
Tortillas.
Tortillas is like comal in Espanol. The ladies, put the tortillas in the top. You just heat it in there. Okay, and this is for water.
Okay.
This is a saving water. Let's go and see one room where all the normal soldiers live. That one is one bed, and this one is another bed. That one is an area for the people, playing in here.
Okay.
Cartas and everything. So a lot of soldiers living in here. It's bad.
What would they put down on here?
For sure, she put something in the bottom. You know, the beds 200 years ago. It's like a nice branches.
Oh.
Yes, and you build your bed. So for sure, he put something in the bottom. That one is really, really, really. No, it's bad. Okay, let's go and see those 3 rooms over there. Nice floor. Look, nice for shell. Nice for 1 bed. Window and door. Look, this is another one. Same thing. Nice floor. Nice room for living. And this one. Nice one. And the 3 have same connection. And this one, you know, these 3 rooms or these 3 persons have its own eating area.
Okay.
And let's go to the other side where the lady's working. Look.
Okay.
That's nice.
Oh.
Well, the government closed that window. Okay, that's why it's too dark in here. That's nice because this is for tortillas. Mm-hmm. This is for cooking. And this is for bread.
Okay.
And everything in here is just for these 3 people.
They pass the food through.
Yeah, because it's the 3 persons, connection, 3 rooms, 1 eating area, and 1 kitchen just for that 3 persons. I mean, the big dogs.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah.
Let's go to the top. Look.
Wow.
So the story says there's 4 people walking in this way and 4 walking in the other way. That's why this is the strong house, la casa fuerte, because from here you can see, you know,
Everywhere.
the 4 points in the lake.
Yes.
And in that time, he said no trees surrounding here, nothing. And he can see everything in here, everything. 70 years ago, the water almost covered all that island over there.
Oh.
Look, this is the hard area for me. That house right there, that one right there, it's not open for the public. I'm trying to explain to you, okay? Okay. We call them Casa de Castigo, so the people that don't want to work just kill them in there and just put it in the cemetery. The cemetery is over there. Okay?
Okay.
But that one is not open for the public. The story say there's 1,000 Indians in here. So where the Indians live? Because in here, there's not enough room for, no, I mean, we're talking about 100, 200. Okay, look, los corrales. That's where the Indians live. So that is the room, the one I'm showing you. Look, let's go to the cemetery. Right there say, you know, all in here he used them for cemetery. All in this area. And this is a nice tree, because it's a fruit tree. You can see the green balls.
Oh, okay.
But that one right there. Look, this one. The black one, it's ready for eating. Yeah. It's sweet. It's nice.
It's a little bit sweet.
Those is a Mexican plums. In 2 months, 3 months, you can change it. Those change the color like a yellow one, and it's nice. That's beautiful, this one.
Yeah.
See? And it's different than the other one. Look. Come this way, please. Follow me. It's really, really, really hard, you know, to do one exactly ball for the canyon.
Right.
He put the ball and measure. This is for to measure the ball.
Okay.
For the canyon. To do exactly, he knows where, you know, he's doing, and just running and running and just working and running. It's nice. All right. I hope you guys like it.
Yes, very much. Thank you.
No, thank you for coming.